Hey guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Grid on the Xbox One. So yeah, I got this. It's currently the 26th of December, which is Boxing Day over here in the UK. So it's the day after Christmas. So yeah, I actually got this as a gift for Christmas off one of my friends. So yeah, thank you, George. But yeah, as you can see, it's Grid. So yeah. Really looking forward to playing this. As you can see, it won Best Racing Game at Gamescom. So that's the front. So with the Day 1 edition, it includes the Aston Martin Vantage GT4 Grid Edition livery. So there's the side, and there's the back. Every race is a chance for glory. It's a pretty cool nemesis system in this as well, where if you hit people or whatever, they come after you, so that's cool. It's all that there. Install is up to, please focus, 80 gig. And inside, we have the code for the Day 1 edition, and we have the disc as well. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Grid on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.